Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Welcome back. I am Matt. This is Matt in the Morning. Thanks for waking up with me once again. I don't have the other camera set up just because I didn't feel like getting it out, but this is just a quick sauce recipe. This is a copycat Big Mac sauce recipe. And I'm making this because the next video, well, I mean, you'll see when that comes out, but I'm making this because this is going to go with what I'm making after this. So anyways, I'll show you what I've got going on and I'll tell you a couple things you can do or don't have to do. So real quick, and again, the ingredient list will be down below in the description and the how-to. So don't worry about trying to take notes or anything. But what we got, and I've already put it in the little blender cup. I've got a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese and a 1/4 cup of mayo. I'll get to something you can do or not do in a minute. I did not have, it'll be down in the description as onion powder. I didn't realize we didn't have onion powder, so I just used some like diced up onions. This is that and pickle juice. It's 2 to 3 teaspoons of pickle juice. Again, all this will be down below. Ketchup and mustard. And then we got some seasonings here. We have salt, sugar. I use smoked paprika. It'll just say paprika, but I use smoked because why not? Some dried dill, and I went ahead and did some garlic powder. This is some diced up dill pickles. And that's it. Now, obviously with any sauce, right? Add, take away, do whatever you want. The garlic was something that was an addition that you don't have to do. So I'll have that down below as an option. Now with blending it, if you want a thicker, chunkier sauce, you don't have to blend the cottage cheese and all that down if you don't want to. I'm going to, but what I'm not going to put in there for the blending process is going to be these pickles. So, but you could put it all in and blend it all down for a nice, smooth, creamy sauce. If you want some chunkiness to it, keep those diced up dill pickles out and add them after the fact. It's up to you. And like any sauce, it's always better with a little bit of that rest time going on. So I'm going to make this, and then I'm not going to mess with it until tomorrow or the next day when I make the thing that you'll see in the next video. So anyways, I got this here. I'm just going to dump all those seasonings in like so. I'm going to take the, again, it's supposed to be onion powder, but here we are. Had to switch and move. Take the minced onions and pickle juice, drop it in. Take the ketchup and mustard. Try to be funny with that. That didn't come out good. The mustard. Get my little spatula to get it all in there. Like so. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Good enough for government work. At this point here, I'm going to throw it in the blender. All right. Now that it's all mixed up, looking good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the diced pickles in because I do want that to have a little chunkiness to it. Because that's what I want to do. Personal preference. Again, it's up to you. I'm going to put the lid back on here. A little shake, rattle, and roll. And there we go. Let me drop some out and show you. It's pretty spot on too. And there you go. Big Mac sauce. Why not? Good stuff. It's pretty spot on too. I think adding that garlic too, just my opinion, I think it makes it better. I think now I want to order a Big Mac and say, don't put your crappy sauce on there. Let me put mine on there. This is better. Anyways, there we go. Just a quick video on a Big Mac sauce. Again, it'll make more sense why I'm doing this because I got the next video I put out. I've got to put some of this on top of what I'm making. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for waking up with me once again. See you next time.